nerds, and welcome back to my channel. I mean, if you're new, then hello. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Obviously you can see from the title that means I will be unboxing something big, something special, something amazing. Recently I turned 21 and my friends decided to bless me with something I've been asking for ever since I started this channel, and I just thought, guys, you shouldn't have. So I got this goodie bag, right, of basically technology, right? Technology for my YouTube channel. They invested in me. Can you believe it? Like, it makes me so happy to think about the fact that they invested in my dreams and my aspiration and goals. Get some friends like that. Do you know what I mean? Like, get some friends like that, because that's amazing. But anyways, I'm going to be showing you what I got in terms of the technological side. Maybe with the other stuff I'll show you a bit later. I might even be doing a haul because I got so much clothes from my mum. So I thought, why not? But yeah, so let's get into it. So the first thing I'll be showing you is this USB adapter. It's from Vanja. Kind of like the name because my name's Vanessa, so Vanja. Also sounds like vagina, but we move. Anywho, so yeah, look at this. Like, bloody amazing. You don't understand how much footage I take on my phone, right? And it's just too much. And then when I tried to send it to my Mac, she's like, no, it's too much. I don't want it. So to have a USB stick, creme de la creme. Do you know why? Because now someone else gets to take it. She's taking it. Taking it all. She's taking it all. And yeah, so this is great. This is really great. And so I was like, come on. You know me, because you need a USB stick, especially when you have so much things that you're recording and so many things that you want to be like moving from one thing to the next. Really helps. Very, very helpful. Another cool gift I got was a hard drive. Never ever have I ever been given a hard drive. I always give hard drives to like my friends who have like, who are DJs or like need that kind of stuff. So when I got it, and I was like, hang on a second, yeah, maybe I do need a hard drive. I never really thought about it. I didn't use my medulla, you know, I didn't use it. I didn't use my occipital lobes because visually I didn't really know, nothing was really connecting. And I feel like me, and you're thinking, how, where's the money coming from for you to be splashing out cash on me like this? It's just not making any sense. And I was very overwhelmed. Like, this is actually the first time I'm looking at everything in this bag. And my birthday was like, what, a week ago? Or by the time you guys see it, it's going to be like 2 weeks ago, or maybe 3 weeks ago. I don't know. But I didn't even look at it. I said, no way. So yeah, this is crazy. We all need a hard drive. This is more storage within this thing, so my laptop can stop crying every time I try to put something on her. She's so irritating. This is why, God willing, I'm gonna buy myself a new laptop, because this MacBook Air, I've had it since 2017 and she's starting to get on my damn nerves. And then I got this, right? And I thought, what is going on? What is going on that I now have this? It's an SD card. I feel like, okay, now you're screaming at me to get a camera. Cool, I'm gonna do that. I just thought, this is a madness. I was very, very much confused. I said, wow, this is cool. This is amazing. But like, you know when you're alarmed? You're like, yeah, actually, I really do need a camera, because you think you need a camera, but you don't know you need a camera until people start buying you camera equipment. I said, this is amazing. An SD card for the camera that I'm going to buy. Phenomenal. Okay, but there was another gift in this, and I thought, this is so cool. So if you know anything about me, you'd know I'm a science babe. I'm a big nerd. I mean, that's the reason why I call you guys nerds, because that's why I've been called my whole life. But look at this. Oh, cool, right? Now you're going to ask me, what is that, Vanessa-May? Well, I'll tell you what it is. It's a lamp projector. So when you put the lights off, it looks like you got stars in your room. This right here, it's a new generation. This is science. This is amazing. So cool. I thought this is amazing. Like, I don't know if you guys can see. Can you see that? When I got this, I said, yeah. I said, I'm not going to cry. It's very thoughtful because I really love science. So this is just really cutie. But you got to wait for like the lights and like it to be just everything off. Everything should just be dark, pure darkness. Because otherwise you won't see it. But I thought to myself, this So thoughtful. Like, I love it when people know me. But I'd like a little bit of a drum roll because this is the final gift that I'll be showing to you guys. Of course, I did get some other gifts, as I mentioned before, like clothes and shoes and lip gloss. Let me even tell you. Got my friend Simona. She makes a banging lip gloss and a banging lip scrub, right? Real lavish. I put the link below. You should go check it out. Look at my lips. Flawless. But anywho, this is the last gift, right? But I didn't get this in this goodie bag. I got it the next day on my actual birthday. So I didn't know this was gonna come. But let me show you. Let me show you the wave, man. So I got this. Oh my goodness! Look at it! Look. Look. I was screaming for a good 5 minutes because I did not understand what was going on. I could not comprehend. I could not understand. It was not going into my brain. I couldn't understand. I said, what? Because surely, yeah, I'd add all the things together. Because this goodie bag had given me camera equipment, but it wasn't making any sense. I said, this is just great news. Like, I didn't think anyone was going to buy me a camera. No, I didn't see that coming at all. At all. I just thought it was like a push in the right direction. So when I got this bad boy, I said, my God is an absolute good God, because if you know anything about me, I was tweeting about this, I was snapping about this, and boom, here she is. And she's all mine, and I don't have to share with none of you. She's mine. Mine. Oh, I just love her so much. And I'm going to open her. And this is going to be the first time I'm opening her, because as I said to you guys before, as soon as I got it, literally, I shut down. I couldn't comprehend what was going on. That comes with autism. It just takes a very long time for me to process things. And I could not process this. It was too much of a surprise and it didn't make any sense. I was thinking, like, I saw the camera, I was like, yeah, it can't be mine. It comes in this box. Ah. Nothing happened. You didn't see anything. Especially my friends, don't worry, nothing happened. But my friends know how clumsy I am though. It's a bit of a nightmare. Okay, cool. So I'm opening the box, right? And it's opening up. Did I even tell you guys what this camera is? If you don't know that, you're about to know. So this is a Canon camera. Canon. Yeah? That means I'm a real YouTuber. Not a little YouTuber. I'm a real big boy YouTuber. The PowerShot G9X Markii or 2. Hello, hi. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, cool. So I'm opening the box. It comes with some instructions. This seems to be Russian. I don't speak Russian, so, you know. And there's a big old book. A little bit of a guide, which I'll be reading later because God knows I love to read. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna actually lose it. I'm actually gonna lose it. I'm going to lose. Oh my gosh. OMG. It's real! Okay, wait, hold on. Oh my God, all this stuff. Comes with a battery. Just in case anybody wants to know, comes with a battery. I'm a little bit overwhelmed. Not that it comes with a battery, that's not what I'm overwhelmed at. Obviously, I'm thankful to God that it comes with a battery, but I'm just overwhelmed because I just saw the camera and it's real. And it's not a prank. They didn't put a fake camera in this box. It's actually real. Oh! Look at this! Oh. You're rolling with the big boys now. Now look at this. Okay, so I had done a plethora of research. I went into the World Wide Web and I said, I need a camera, but what camera do I need? And they told me I needed this one. Look at it. It's crisp. It's black. Look at that. Are you looking at it? I don't know if you've seen it. Yeah, I don't think you've seen it. Look at it again. It's real. It's not fake. It's not a gimmick. Look at that. I'm rolling with the big boys now. Yeah, I'm on top. And I just don't know how to feel because obviously, like, I told myself it wasn't real. But it is! Look at it! Oh! I'm not going to be crazy. I'm not going to do too much on this video. But beforehand, I was screaming and I was shouting and I just could not comprehend. Guys, look. Did you say you want to see it again? Okay, cool. You wanted to see the dials? Oh, right. Cool. Don't worry. I got you. You thought it was a pretend camera? No, it's real. I'm sorry, but I need to exit because this is just too much. I can't deal with this.
One eternity later.
No, because really, listen, think about it. I got a camera. You didn't see it coming, but I didn't see it coming either. Like, I got some ride or dies because how can you get me the camera that I wanted? I can hear my heart in my ears. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Obviously, I've got a camera now, so that means more content. But before we end, I just wanted to show you. I don't know if you guys saw this. Fettuccine. Get at it. Get at my friend Kevin if you want some good merch. Look at this. I'm stylish and I'm a fly kid. Or if you want to get your hair laid, the hair on Instagram. All of these links will be below. I've already told you about lip gloss. Real lavish. Please go and check it out. I wouldn't be bigging it up if it wasn't amazing. But anyways, guys, I think I have to go. The big boy YouTuber club, they're calling me, so I've got to go now. But it was nice to see you guys again. Love you all so much. Thank you for making this happen, because if you weren't watching my content, I wouldn't have a camera. Yeah. Bye.